When I'm talking to patients and when I go back from conferences, I always talk about the fact that it's exciting times in myeloma. We've got lots of new treatments that are being approved, both from NICE side of things, so that they're coming into the mainstream treatment pathways, and also the new treatments that are coming out there now, like CAR T-cell therapy and BiTE therapy as well.
Well, I think as each of these new drugs come along, they come along and usually in the relapsed and the refractory setting, and then they start to get moved earlier and earlier in therapy. And so I think on average, every new drug that's approved adds roughly a year to overall survival for the average myeloma patient, on average. If you get a longer duration of benefit, then it's going to add even longer than that. And I think what we do when a drug first comes out is we figure out how do we use it now. Then what we figure out is how do we optimize the dose, and then we figure out how do we combine it with all the other drugs that are out there to make each phase of treatment more effective. And for the patient, that means how do we better use these new tools to keep your myeloma at bay.